Hello and welcome to another episode of How to Do It by Duane's Reliable Computer Services. So today we're going to talk about how to create a restore point. A restore point is basically a snapshot of your computer at a certain date and time. This can be very helpful if you run into problems with an update or your computer just won't start for some reason. So creating a restore point is very easy. You click on the search bar right there at the bottom of your taskbar. Up pops this. If you don't have that search bar there, you can also just click on the start tab, or start icon, and then just start typing restore, and it'll come up create a restore point. So we pop that open. Now this is how you can tell if you have it turned on. So system restore right here, protection settings, Windows C, protection is on. Okay, if this says off, then what you need to do is you need to go into here to configure and turn it on, and you can decide how much of your computer will be used for those restore points, and that's how you create that. If you're going to make changes to your computer, it's also a good thing to go in here and create a new restore point before you make those changes, so you've got a place to go back to. So that's all there is with restore points. It's actually pretty simple. It could save you a big headache.